Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Manzoor Ahmad Zahid, Head of Department of Mathematics, Kamsat University, Islamabad, Sahiwal campus. Our department is offering number of programs: BS Mathematics, BS Mathematics with Data Science, MS Mathematics, PhD Mathematics. Our department has dedicated faculty, total 17 faculty members, in which 15 are PhD, 2 are in process of their PhD. The specialty of this department is the ranked 1 university in Pakistan and 111 ranked in all over the world. In our department, the faculty has 2% scientists and our maximum faculty are foreign qualified. Therefore, the particular our program, the mathematics with data science, is one of the unique program which include mathematics, statistics, and computer science. The applications of mathematics with data science are machine learning, artificial intelligence. Admissions of fall 26 are open. I invite the student and parents to visit and join our department of mathematics with data science.
ComSat's University Islamabad Sahiwal campus, shaping minds, building futures.